come home and be like, Grandpa, I read in my history book that you were alive during the Great Pandemic. Is that true? And we're going to be like, you're damn right I was. I'm a survivor. Oh my God, Grandpa. You survived the Great Pandemic? How? Look, I read in my history book right now. Look, during the Great Pandemic, millions of people died around the world. Millions of people died. That must have been awful, Grandpa. Did you lose a lot of friends? Oh! Not even one. No, not even one. Did you catch it, Grandpa? Oh, like 2 or 3 times. Did you isolate the first 2 times?